Isoclean Healthcare Platform Isolator, the optimized solution for sterile and aseptic applications. The Isoclean Healthcare Platform Isolator facilitates the isolation of a product or process while providing the required sterile or aseptic environment. This equipment provides a comprehensive range of personnel, product, and environmental protection. It is factory configured to operate at positive or negative pressure, depending on the application that it is intended for. It can be used for the following applications: pharmacy compounding, chemotherapy or total parenteral nutrition, small-scale potent material handling, aseptic processing, research and development, cell processing. Key features: HEPA H14 filters with a typical efficiency of 99.999% at 0.1 to 0.3 microns provide superior ISO Class 5 air cleanliness. Class 2 containment as per ISO 10648-2 pressure leak testing, assuring you of leak-tight chamber and operator safety. Sentinel Gold microprocessor system supervises all functions and monitors airflow and pressures in real time. Safe glove change permits zero risk of contaminating the work zone or environment. Robust construction and enhanced safety features qualify the Isoclean Healthcare Platform Isolator for the most demanding laboratory applications. Ergonomically angled front glove ports improve reach and comfort. Esco Isocide antimicrobial coating on all painted surface minimizes risk for contamination. Airflow pattern. The isolator provides the necessary environment for sterile processes through the following airflow pattern. Ambient air is pulled through the inlet pre-filter located on top of the isolator. The pre-filter traps large-size particles to extend the life of the supply HEPA H14 filter. Air from the top inlet and from work zone is pulled by the main fan, which creates positive pressure on the plenum that creates downflow. Work zone pressure is always higher than the pass-through to prevent contaminants from entering the work zone through the pass-through chamber. The HEPA H14 downflow filter creates a full unidirectional airflow and particle-free ISO Class 5 environment inside the isolator to protect the work material inside the main chamber and pass-through. Air from the work zone and pass-through is quickly purged by the fans to keep the area clean. Options: CCTV, hydraulic stand, IV bars for handling bags, glove leak tester, rear view screen, single piece, multiple trays, sharps disposal, carbon VOC filter plus housing, foot switch, hard ducting with anti-blowback valve, side exhaust connection. Isoclean Healthcare Platform Isolator, truly your optimized solution for sterile and aseptic applications.